While we need our cell phones for most important tasks, it sometimes becomes difficult to hold them if our hands are engaged. So, we have brought a list of the best cell phone stands to help you choose the right one. Cell phone stands help you hold the phone and let you carry on with your work. A few stands are also adjustable, allowing you to adjust their angles to a convenient position for video calls or recordings. They also contain hooks to hold your phone securely. These stands protect your phones from slips and falls and are easy to use. There are many products available to choose the best cell phone stands for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cell phone stands for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best for vertical viewing. Omoton C2 Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Omoton C2 offers an adjustable holder that can be set at any viewing angle up to 270 degrees. The universally compatible cell phone stand enables comfortable viewing via hands-free experience. The 3mm thick aluminum plates make the holder strong. Click here to check out a detailed personal review of this phone stand with cable management. Specifications. Material: aluminum. Color: silver. Dimensions: 3.58 x 2.36 x 3.54 in weight. 6.3 Oz. Compatibility: all Apple iPhone series, Samsung Galaxy series, and Android phones. Number 2. Best for iPads. Nulaxy A4 Foldable Tablet and Smartphone Stand. Nulaxy tablet and cell phone stand is universally compatible with devices measuring 4 to 10 inches. The universal phone stands for desk can be adjusted to any angle up to 270 degrees for comfortable viewing. The silicone anti-slip pads on the bottom and placement hooks keep the phone steady and safe from scratches. The hook is wide enough to hold devices up to 0.74 inches and easily be used along with the phone case, holding up your device horizontally or vertically. Here's a review video to help you get a better understanding of the product. Specifications. Material: aluminum. Color: black. Dimensions: 3.54 x 3.15 x 4.02 in weight. 3.98 Oz. Compatibility: all Apple iPhones, Samsung Galaxy series, and Android phones. Number 3. Best angle adjustable. APPS2 Car Cell Phone Stand for Desk. APPS2 Car Cell Phone Stand is a convenient accessory for keeping your smartphone on your desk or other surfaces. It is compatible with most mobile phone models and cases and helps keep your smartphone positioned upright using a unique tripod base. Moreover, the several useful features such as a 360-degree swivel and anti-scratch pads make it practical. This phone stand with swivel rotation has a metal counterweight for extra stability, and its one-hand operation design lets you browse the web, check messages, and answer phone calls conveniently. Specifications. Material: industrial-grade nylon and metal. Color: black. Dimensions: 5.59 x 4.88 x 2.83 in weight. 9.9 Oz. Compatibility: all Apple iPhone models, Samsung Galaxy series, and Android phones. Number 4. Best for video calls. CreaDream Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. CreaDream mobile phone stand with foldable legs is adjustable to multiple angles up to 270 degrees. The holder's hooks and base are lined with rubber pads to protect your device from scratches and slips and keep it steady. Specifications. Material: aluminum. Color: rose gold. Dimensions: 3.15 x 2.91 x 4.02 in weight. 4.3 Oz. Compatibility: iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy Note, Google Pixel, all Android phones, tablets, Kindle, Nintendo Switch, Number 5. Best Foldable. Ugreen Foldable Phone Stand for Desk. Ugreen cell phone stand for the desk is sleek and adjustable and suitable for everyday use. The phone cradle is also compact and foldable, making it perfect for storage and travel. Further, the stand features multi-angle adjustability, allowing you to adjust your phone to get the desired viewing angle. It is universally compatible and can fit any 4 to 7.9-inch smartphone or e-reader. Additionally, this multi-angle cell phone stand features silicone pads on the cradle and the bottom for stability. Specifications: material. Abscolor. Black. Dimensions: 0.79 x 0.79 x 0.39 in weight. 0.353 Oz. Compatibility: all Apple iPhones, Samsung Galaxy Series, S22, S21, S20, S10, Note 20, LG, Motorola Moto G Power, Google Pixel 6a, Kindle. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.